I can hear two adhans from different mosques, and the timing of both the adhans differ by a few minutes. When should I break fast? At the first or second adhan?
As far as breaking of the fast is concerned with the two adhans, and both the time differ, you have to find out that which of the two muaddin mentions the adhan, pronounces the adhan at the right time. The right time is when the sun sets. As the beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3 in the book of fasting, hadith number 1954, that when the night comes from this side and the day vanishes from this side and the sun sets, that's the time you have to break the fast. So best is you have to first find out which of the two muaddin is pronouncing the adhan at the right time. Or if there's a doubt, best is, today's the age of science and technology, we have a chart which exactly tells the time when the sun sets, and you can match it with your own watch, the time, or you can match the adhan, which of the two muaddin gives the right adhan, and that's the right time we should break the fast. You should not say that whichever muaddin gives first you have to break. If there's a difference, try and find out which of the two muaddin pronounces the adhan at the right time. Or best is you do it yourself, you verify your watch it's the right time, see the timetable and break the fast at the right time.